Hello. We have prepared this topic to help you understand the steel production and companies in the Korean steel industry. This topic includes types of steel companies, steel production in Korea, major steel companies in Korea, and steel companies by product. First, the types of steel company. In general, steel companies can be categorized into integrated steel companies, rolling companies, metallic coating companies, pipe and tube companies, and drawing companies. The iron making, steel making, casting processes are called upstream, and the rolling, metallic coating, pipe and tubing, and drawing processes are called downstream. Companies that own them together are called integrated steel companies. Hot rolling companies purchase slabs, billets from integrated steel companies, and roll them. Cold rolling companies purchase hot rolled coils, and roll them. In general, cold rolling companies also have a metallic coating process. Metallic coating companies refer to a company that purchases cold rolled steel from an integrated company and only performs metallic coating. Pipe and tube companies refer to a company that makes steel pipes or tubes by purchasing heavy plates, hot rolled coils from integrated steel companies. Drawing companies refer to a company that purchases wire rods from an integrated steel company and makes steel wires. The integrated steel process can be divided into the blast furnace basic oxygen furnace process and the electric arc furnace process, depending on the equipment type in the upstream. The blast furnace basic oxygen furnace processes are as follows: sintered ore, which is processed from iron ore, and coke, which is processed from coking coal, are fed into the blast furnace to produce molten steel. This is fed into a basic oxygen furnace to reduce carbon and impurities and add alloying elements to produce molten steel. This molten steel is cast into semi-finished products, such as slabs or Bloom's billets. These semi-finished products are then further processed through hot rolling for sale or undergo additional processes, such as cold rolling and metallic coating, to be sold as finished products. The blast furnace basic oxygen furnace processes are possessed by POSCO and Hyundai Steel in Korea, which primarily focus on the production of flat products such as hot rolled coils, cold rolled coils, and metallic coated products. The electric arc furnace processes are as follows: steel scrap and, if necessary, the desired alloying elements are inputted into the electric arc furnace to produce molten steel, and blooms or billets are produced through the continuous casting process. These are then hot rolled to produce long products such as bars, wire rods, and rebars. Companies in Korea that produce through these processes include Hyundai Steel, Dongkook Steel, Kisco, CAH Steel, CAH Changwon Specialty Steel, and Daehan Steel. POSCO also utilizes electric arc furnaces in its production of stainless steel products. Additionally, the processes of electric arc furnaces, thin slab casting, hot rolling were once produced by Hyundai Steel, POSCO, and Dongbu Steel, but they have all been stopped and some have been dismantled due to cost and quality issues. However, in recent times, with the CO2 issue becoming a global big issue, Hyundai Steel has decided to restart one of the shutdown electric arc furnaces, and POSCO is also currently investing in establishing new electric arc furnaces. Now let's look at the steel production in Korea. First, let's examine the production of crude steel. Typically, crude steel production refers to the sum of slabs, blooms, billets produced in the continuous casting, and ingots produced in the ingot casting mill. As shown in the figure, Korea's crude steel production has been increasing until 2011, and then stagnated. Crude steel production increased from 43,100,000 tons in 2000 to 66,700,000 tons in 2023, with the main reasons being the operation of No. 5 blast furnace at POSCO Kwangyon Works, and No. 1 and No. 2 blast furnace at Hyundai Steel. Therefore, the proportion of blast furnace basic oxygen furnace process in crude steel production was 57% in 2010, expanded to 70% in 2023. Next, Let's look at the global rankings of steel production. Looking at the country rankings for crude steel production in 2023, as shown in the left chart, South Korea ranked 6th following China, India, Japan, the United States, and Russia. In terms of company rankings, after for Chinese steel companies, ArcelorMittal and Nippon Steel, POSCO Holdings ranked 7th and Hyundai Steel, the second largest domestic company, ranked 18th. Regarding product production, in 2023, crude steel production was 66.7 million tons, as mentioned earlier, and hot-rolled steel production was 66.5 million tons. Totals of finished products were 69.6 million tons. The reason the total of 68.5 million tons from the production of hot-rolled steel and cased and forged steel exceeded the 66.7 million tons of crude steel production is due to an excess imported quantity of semi-finished products such as slabs and billets, and the inventory of semi-finished products was significantly reduced at the end of 2023 compared to the end of 2022. The reason the total production of finished products at 69.6 million tons exceeded the production of hot-rolled steel is due to the processing of imported hot-rolled coils from abroad to produce cold-rolled products, steel pipes. In Korea, the finished products were composed of 28% for long products, 65% for flat products, and 7% for pipes. Next, let's take a brief look at the major steel companies in Korea. Starting with POSCO. POSCO is the top steel company in Korea with integrated steel processes focused on flat products, and it owns production facilities in many countries around the world. The domestic crude steel capacity is 18 million tons in Pohang and 23 million tons in Gwangyang, totaling 41 million tons. The products include wire rods, heavy plates, hot-rolled coils, cold-rolled coils, galvanized sheets, electrical sheets, stainless hot-rolled coils, stainless cold-rolled coils. As domestic steel subsidiaries, POSCO has POSCO Steel Steelian, Pohang Specialty Welding, and POSCO Mobility Solution. In terms of overseas steel subsidiaries, they have 13 production facilities and 25 processing centers globally. Among the overseas production facilities, integrated steel mills included are POSCO's Angjiagang Stainless Steel, PD Krakatau POSCO, and POSCO Yarmatovina Steel, with a combined steelmaking capacity of 5 million tons. The others operate downstream facilities to process hot-rolled and cold-rolled products from POSCO for local sales. Next up is Hyundai Steel. Hyundai Steel is a member of the Hyundai Motor Group and produces a wide range of steel products, with a crude steel capacity of 22 million tons. In addition to its blast furnace and basic oxygen furnace processes in Dongjin, Hyundai Steel has the largest electric furnace facilities in South Korea. Its electric arc furnace facilities are located in Dongjin, Pohang, and Incheon. Products from Hyundai Steel include hot-rolled coils, cold-rolled coils, galvanized sheets, special steel bars, wire rods, rebars, sections, rails. Key domestic steel subsidiaries under Hyundai Steel are Hyundai BNG Steel producing stainless cold-rolled products, Hyundai Steel Pipe producing steel pipes, Hyundai IFC4 producing forged products, and Hyundai Special Steel producing CHQ wire and CD bars. It has 16 processing centers as overseas subsidiaries, spread across regions where Hyundai Kia Motors, global automotive factories operate. Moving on to the Seon Group. The Seon Group is the leading company in Korea in the production of special steel bars, CHQ wire, and steel pipes. It is understood that Lee Tae-sung, son of former chairman Lee Woon-hyung, manages Seon Holdings, and Lee Ju-sung, son of chairman Lee Soon-hyung, operates Seon Steel Holdings. Major domestic affiliates include Seon Special Steel for producing CHQ wire and CD bars, Korea's+Steel Steel primarily manufacturing special steel bars and forged products, Korea's+Changwon Specialty Steel focusing on stainless steel long products, seamless steel tubes, and other special steels. Korea's+Steel is the largest steel pipe company in Korea. and CM producing galvanized sheets and colored sheets. Moving on to Dongkuk Steel Group. Within the group, there is Dongkuk Steel, which produces rebars, sections, and plates, and Dongkuk CM, which produces cold-rolled products such as cold-rolled sheets, galvanized sheets, and colored sheets. Dongkuk CM was previously known as Union Steel. It is notable that Japanese company JFE holds around 8.7% stakes in both Dongkuk Steel and Dongkuk CM, which was a result of an alliance aimed at ensuring stable procurement of slabs for plates and hot-rolled coils for cold-rolled products. As of May 2024, the stakes have been reduced to around 2%. Next, we will look at KISCO Group. KISCO utilizes the electric arc furnace process to produce rebars and holds a 30.3% stake in HANSCO, which also produces rebars through the same method. Additionally, Youngwire and Data Special Steel, primarily, produce wire products. Daehan Steel holds a 70% stake in YK Steel and ranks as the third largest domestic company in rebar capacity. The remaining 30% of YK Steel is owned by Japan's Yamato Steel. Next is KG Steel. Previously known as Dongbu Steel, KG Steel has a cold rolling capacity of 2.4 million tons, producing cold-rolled products, galvanized sheets, tin plates, colored steel sheets, and more. KG Mobility, formerly SsangYong Motors, is a subsidiary of KG Steel. Lastly, let's summarize the major steel companies by product type. Starting with long products, major producers of sections include Hyundai Steel, Dongkuk Steel, and Korea's Steel. For bars, companies producing hot-rolled bars include Hyundai Steel, Korea's+Steel+Production+Structure1 Specialty Steel, and Korea's Steel, while CD bars are produced by Hyundai Special Steel, Korea's Special Steel. Rebars are produced by Hyundai Steel, Dongkuk Steel, KISCO, HANSCO, Daehan Steel, while K Steel, Korea's Steel, and Hankook Steel and Mill. For wire rods, POSCO, Hyundai Steel, Korea's+Structure1 Specialty Steel are the major producers, while rails are exclusively produced by Hyundai Steel. Moving on to flat products, for heavy plates, the key producers are POSCO, Hyundai Steel, and Dongkuk Steel, while hot-rolled coils are produced by POSCO and Hyundai Steel. Cold-rolled coils are produced by POSCO, Hyundai Steel, Dongkuk CM, and KG Steel, while stainless hot-rolled coils are produced only by POSCO, and stainless cold-rolled coils are produced by POSCO and Hyundai BNG Steel. Electrical sheets are exclusively produced by POSCO, while tin plates are produced by KG Steel, TCC Steel, and galvanized sheets are produced by POSCO, POSCO Steelian, Hyundai Steel, Dongkuk CM, KG Steel. Other coated sheets includes zinc aluminum magnesium, produced by POSCO Steelian, Dongkuk CM, KG Steel. Lastly, colored steel sheets are produced by POSCO Steelian, Dongkuk CM, KG Steel. Moving on to steel pipes and wire products. Welded steel pipes are mainly produced by Hyundai Steel Pipe, Korea's Steel, while seamless pipes are produced by Korea's+Structure1 Specialty Steel. For wire products, major producers include Hyundai Special Steel, Korea's Special Steel, KISWIRE. We have looked at the production structure in the Korean steel industry. We look forward to meeting you again with new topics in the future.